Osombusazwe abezinyunyana namaqhawe zabalazo kanye nabangani baMadiba ngokunjalo namalungu omndeni bebephelele bonke lapha ukuzobungaza impilo yaleli qhawe elihlonishwa umhlaba wonke lingasekho. Lesifundo sokuqala sesikhumbuzo sikaMadiba senzelwe Nelson Mandela Center of Memory eGoli. Iphini likamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uyena wethule lesifundo.
If we are to build on Madiba's legacy, we need both to continue the work that he began and hold true the moral posture that Madiba adopted. We should seek to pursue at all times that which is right and true and just, no matter how inconvenient, how unpopular, or how difficult.
uRamaphosa uphinde wasebenzisa leli thuba wakhuluma ngodaba lokudliwa komhlaba ongekho emthethweni ubesenxusa abantu bakuleli ukuba bacabange ngaphambi kokuthi bathathe izinyathelo.
These are the moments when we must consider not just the legal consequences of our actions, but also the morality of our actions, as Madiba would have done.
Inkulumo yephini likamengameli iphinde yaxela nakubaholi.
We cannot accept the misuse of public resources, and we cannot accept the theft of public resources. Madiba's morality dictated that this should not and cannot be accepted. And we need to actively combat a culture that associates public office with entitlement, a culture where there is a tenuous relationship between misdemeanor and consequence. We need to consistently reinforce the precept that people do come first.
uRamaphosa ubesenxusa abantu bakuleli ukuthi baqhubeke nokusebenza kanzima uqinisekisa ukuthi ke umphakathi uthola amathuba alinganayo njengoba ke noMandela walula lokho iminyaka engu-67.